Hello, welcome back to the channel, and this is a very quick little video to alert you to some great deals on little Wi-Fi FPV drones that are priced very low in a way that they can be considered almost disposable. So I'm going to start with a deal that's currently on Gearbest.com. And the deal is for this very ugly but decently spec'd drone for $9.99 US if you buy it through their app. And that drone is the JJRC 866 Christmas Egg. It's a foldable portable drone, and it uses a G-sensor controller, and the G-sensor controller is a one-handed controller that has an accelerometer built into it, so you can basically tilt the controller to control certain directions, and also use a little thumb joystick to do yaw and basically bring the altitude up and down. So that's pretty amazing. $10 US for a little 720p capable Wi-Fi drone. It's like, wow, that's good. So the next deal that I have is a deal at Banggood.com, and that's for the Eachine E52 Wi-Fi FPV drone, and it's another drone that comes with a controller. It's not a phone-only controller, because those things are really annoying. And this one is not quite as good a deal. It's $19.30 US, and it comes with a kind of more traditional transmitter with the two joystick kind of in a little clip for your phone to see your FPV. But for $19.30, it's not bad. The big limitation with this one is that it's 0.3 megapixel camera, so you're not going to get 720p video out of it. So finally, the third deal is on Banggood.com, and it's an Eachine E56, and it's another 720p recording drone, also with a G sensor, similar to the Egg. And it's $28 US, so it's considerably more than the Christmas Egg drone, but it doesn't look like a monstrosity like the Christmas Egg drone, and it has a very cool little case that comes with it to keep the drone and the controller in. So yeah, that's some deals that are currently available that you might be interested in. So yeah, if you like this info, click like and subscribe, and I'll get more of this content to you. Cheers, bye.